We're standing here in the quarters and the grounds of the Rosenborg Castle. The Rosenborg Castle was built by King Christian IV, and it was not actually a year-round castle. It was his summer palace, and these beautiful grounds were eventually turned over to the Danish government so that Danish people and the general public could enjoy. It's a very top tourist destination here in Copenhagen. It's just a 20-minute walk or so from the train station, and inside you have the Danish crown jewels. The jewels that kings wore in their headdress are inside of the castle that you see in front of me. We're going to walk over to the gardens now. The paths that you find in European parks are very similar, at least in the northern part of Europe and much of the south as well. It's usually a kind of crushed stone, but crushed really finely so that rainstorms don't really erode it, and it maintains its flatness without getting pockmarked. Also, water can be absorbed. Also, you're not leaching oils and synthetic products, petroleum-based products into the soil for the most part. Very efficient way to make public spaces accessible to the average person and be kind to the environment at the same time. And as you can see, it can be blended nicely with traditional European stonework.